This is the slightly famous Nakpanduri Waterfalls. Honestly, it's a glorified drainage ditch, but it's cool. So most people just go to the gutter down below and they miss out on the real waterfall that is up above if you just work a little. Trey found the creepiest thing on earth. Are you ready? He was climbing up here and he almost put his hand on giant fluffy caterpillars. Oh, it's terrifying. They're huge. I mean, whoa, whoa, do it again, do it again. Wow, he totally wants to like poke you or bite you or something.